Hi and welcome to Diving Head First. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about why I've taken a break for a while and what I'm going to be doing going on in the future. So I've mentioned in a couple of my videos before that about a year ago I was diagnosed with psoriatic arthritis, and I am on medication and it is working really well. I am mostly pain-free. I still have like a little bit of joint pain here and there, but mostly from that it's just fatigue is also a major factor that the medication doesn't really help with. So I've been slowly working my way up from building up my energy and my strength from when I had my first real big flare. So I've been doing a lot of physical therapy, and I've been working on various other things to help strengthen my joints so that if I do have another flare, then it won't be as bad. But it leaves me with not as much energy to do projects, especially newer ones. Or even if I try and get to do projects, I usually can only do them in small segment bursts of time. I can't do sit down and do a project all day long. I generally don't have the energy for that. Especially if a lot of videos that sometimes I would finish them, I would shoot most of it on the weekend and then finish it after work during the week. And it's definitely getting better, but it's hard for me to have too much energy to do much else after a full day of work, and I still work full time. So yeah, that's why I haven't really been posting new projects. But I want to work up to doing that again. I definitely don't think I could keep up the schedule of one video a week, because DIY projects are just really a lot of energy to shoot. But I am hoping to try and get some more done soon. But in the meantime, I wanted to try and post some videos that I was planning on doing before I just hit a wall and stopped. And that's also kind of why I didn't really say that I was gonna take a break. It wasn't really intentional. It was just I just didn't have energy to do it anymore. So yeah. But I have a couple of videos that I'm going to try and do. Some are not necessarily going to be full-on DIYs, but maybe just some things to help you guys get started with projects. I've also been trying to learn new things. I've been getting into embroidery and a couple of other stuff, so hopefully I'll have some fun stuff with that. But also I've just been kind of trying to work down my craft stash, because I'm hopefully moving in the summer. So I'd like to reduce my craft stash so I don't have to move it all. And I have more storage. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys, and I definitely will. I'm going to be trying to post more again. Definitely not at the weekly schedule, but I want to make stuff for you guys again. So if you have any ideas of videos that you would like me to make, leave it in the comments below. And I'll see if I can see what I'm able to do. To everybody that has subscribed while I haven't been posting videos, thanks a lot. My channel's amazingly still growing while I haven't been posting videos, and I'm really appreciative of that. So if you've liked one of my videos and you decided to subscribe and you wonder why I haven't been posting videos, that is why. So yeah, sorry about not having projects currently, but I'm working up to that. I'm hoping that with the summer that I'll be able to work on being more active and building up my energy even more, so that I can really get back to the energy level that I used to be. Because that's one of the things about this that has been driving me insane. I have all these ideas and I just because I'm tired, don't have the energy for it, doesn't mean that I actually am sleeping more. Because like I'm full on awake. It's just that I don't have the energy to do it. So I'm just sitting here without the energy to do things. And I have all the ideas that I still used to have, but I don't have the energy to actually execute them without pushing myself too far and then not being able to do basic life things. So that's been part of my break also, is just figuring out, making sure that I balance my life properly. And so I've been working on that, and I'm definitely getting better. And so, yeah. If you hear the little grumbles, it's because my dog is right over there. She's been also a part of this, is that before, when I was doing a weekly schedule, she actually wasn't living with me. She was living with my mom or my brother, but this last summer, after I came back from Ireland, she actually started living with me in Brooklyn. So yeah, that's added energy to the schedule, but it's also been really great because she pushes me to move, because I have to walk her every day, and it helps me be more active and get my energy up. But if I do have a bad day, I do have a dog walker for her, so that she's still taken care of, even if I am having a bad day. So she's been a big help. So yeah. So hopefully you'll stick with me through this. Sorry that I haven't been posting that much. Crafting with psoriatic arthritis has been hard, and I've just been learning how to adapt and to not overwork myself or my fingers or joints. And the physical therapy has definitely helped, and my medication. If you're wondering, I'm on Ortezla. I was very lucky that my doctor actually didn't want to start me on a biologic. Which, if you're wondering what that is, you can Google it, but it's like Humira and those kind of things that basically go after your immune system. Which, the fact that I live in New York City, I didn't really want to go immediately onto a medication that affects your immune system. So I was really glad when I got to start right away on Ortezla, and then my doctor fought for that. Because Ortezla doesn't go after your immune system, it actually affects your inflammatory system, which helps. That's how it helps treat psoriatic arthritis, is that it reduces the inflammation that it causes. And it's been really great for me. I know some people don't have have had really bad side effects from it, and from talking to my doctors, that's just really a hit or miss kind of thing. So I know that I'm lucky that it works for me. And then to help with the little bit of joint pain that Ortezla doesn't 100% take away, I've been actually taking Charlotte's Web, which was not something that my doctor told me to take or anything like that. I started taking it on my own. I had known about it actually from the Pete Holmes podcast. He talks about it a lot. And I personally don't like weed. I don't have a problem with people using it. I just personally don't like it, and I have no desire to be high. But that's why I think Charlotte's Web is great. It helps with the little pain that I still had left. But it doesn't make you high at all, because it's hemp oil, and it is like so you just get the CBD. There's only like trace amounts of THC, and you don't feel it at all. So definitely check that out if you have any kind of aches or pains, or even to the level that I have. I take the like highest dose one, because I started out in the middle one and it was okay, but I decided this winter to go up to the highest dose one, and it's really helped me. So yeah, if you guys want to talk any more about this kind of stuff or anything else, let me know in the comments below, and then I hopefully will be posting more, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!